Hey kids, look at this beauty. Isn't he gorgeous? Let's draw him. A beak and the neckline, the body, the wing, the legs and feet, and the glorious tail. Do you know what kind of bird this is? Take a guess. That's right, it's a peacock. Look at that amazing display. Some lines down the middle of each feather. Little bit of detail here on the head. Ready to paint. Okay, we're going for gold first of all. That's for the beak. Next we'll go for green. Aww, and some blue. Yes, our peacock body is going to be blue, but of course you can choose any colour you like. Really, it's your picture, so you can be creative. And the wing. Brilliant! Going for brown for the legs and the feet. And yellow now for our middle feather. Carefully painting around the black lines, leaving that teardrop shape. There you go. And pink. Ooh, I love this colour next to the yellow. Gorgeous. What's your favourite colour? Me too. I'm doing the same either side of the yellow because I think it really makes it stand out. It's called symmetry when it's identical, exactly the same on each side. Green for the next one. Lovely! Other side too. Yellow, pink, green. What colour shall we do the last feather? Red! What a great idea! I was thinking exactly the same. Strokes from side to side, one half at a time. Excellent! Ooh, we're almost there. And around the teardrop shape. Woohoo! Going for pink for our first teardrop. Then how about yellow? Yes, it's like a backwards version of the first feather. And some red. Lovely. Other side. So how about green for the last one? Brilliant. I just love it. And you're done! Amazing! Look at that beautiful display. The peacock is truly wonderful.